Welcome back to the Walnut. The first question what we have here, 17, 25, 52, 116 and 241. Well, what kind of pattern we have here? Let's take a quick look at it. 17, 25. Well, 25, at a glance what I see here, it's 5 square and 17 is 4 square plus 1. And 52, nearest square is 49, right? 7 square plus 3. And 116, nearest square, what we have, either it is 10 square, 100, or it is 11 square, 121. So, well, that doesn't give any pattern. So here it's 4 square plus 1, next one is 5 square, next one is 7 square plus 3, and next one is either 10 square plus 16, or it is 11 square minus 5. That doesn't make any sense at all. Is there any other possible pattern we can have here? Just think about it. Well, 17 and 25 in terms of cubes, nearest cube here 3 cube minus 2, but nearest cube here it is 64, so it's 4 cube, right? 4 cube minus 12, and nearest cube here it's 125, 125 that is 5 cube minus 9. Doesn't make any sense. Because the 17, what is it, nearest cube? It is 2 cube, 8, right? Or it is 3 cube, 27. So 27 minus 10. This is 3 cube, this is 3 cube minus 10. This is 3 cube minus 2. This is 4 cube minus 12. And this is 5 cube minus 9. It doesn't work. Anything else? Take a quick look at it. What I see right here, 17 and 25, the difference is 8. Okay, fine. Then 25 and 52, 25 plus 25 is 50. And we have 2 more, so that difference is 27. Well, 8 and 27, what are they? Think about it. Then 52 and 116. 52 plus 60, 112. And we need to have a 4 along with that. So that difference is 64. See that? 8, 27, 64. That reminds me of what? 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. Next difference must be 5 cube. Right? 116 plus 125. Next one must be 6 cube, 216. So 241 plus 216, what is that? 241 plus 200, 441 plus 16. So it is 457 would be the answer. So ultimately, what is the pattern here? The differences are cubes, right? Then 10, 15, 30, 45 and 90. What kind of pattern we have here? 10 and 15. What do you see there? 10 plus 5 is 15. And 15 and 30. So 15 plus 15 is 30, or 15 into 2 is 30. Then 30 plus 15 is 45. So here difference is 5. Here it's 15. Here it's 15. Next it is 45. So is it a pattern? Well, the difference here 5. Here the difference is 15. Here the difference is 15. Here we have it's 45. So this difference 5 into 3 is 15. Then 15 and 15 same number. Then 15 into 3 is 45. Then 45 and 45. So 90 plus 45, 135. That's a possible answer. It seems like a pattern. 5 into 3 is 15, 15, and next one 15 into 1 is 15. Then 15 into 3 is 45, then 45 into 1 is 45, and it goes like that. Or you may think about another pattern here. I'll show you here. 15 into 2 is 30, right? And 30 into 1 is 45. 30 into 1.5 is 45. That 45 into 2 is 90. And here 10 into 1.5 is 15. So ultimately, the multiplication with 1.5 into 2. 1.5, 2. So next must be 90 into 1.5. So 90 into 1.5 must be 1 35. So you can go with either the pattern of differences or the pattern of multiplication. So I'll just put a cute line in between, otherwise you may have a confusion between the numbers on the top and at the bottom as well. Alright, next one is 4. 4, 18, 48, 100 and 180. So what kind of pattern we have there? 4, what we know, it is 2 square. 18 is what? It is not a square. 48, it's 7 square minus 1. 100 is 10 square. 180, the nearest square is what? 169. That's the nearest square. So it doesn't work in that way. How about differences? The difference, what we have is 14. Next difference is 30. Next difference is 52. And next difference is 80. Not really. Anything else? How about like cubes? Nearest cube here, what we have is 1 cube. 1 cube plus 3. Here we have 3 cube. 3 cube minus 9. And here it's nearest cube 64, right? 64 minus what? 16. Here it is what? 3 cube minus 9. This one 4 cube minus 16. Here it is what? Nearest cube 125, right? 125 minus 25 must be 100. So it seems like there is some kind of pattern there. What is it? 3 cube minus 9. So 3 cube minus 3 square. And 48. How much is that? 48 must be 4 cube minus 4 square. And this one 5 cube minus 5 square. And of course, this one is 6 cube. 6 cube is 216 minus 6 square. That is 36. And how about this case? It must be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So it must be 2 cube minus 2 square. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 square is 4. Okay, we have the answer. 4, 18, 48, 100, 180. So pattern is clear. Next one, 7 cube minus 7 square. So 7 cube minus 7 square. Find out what exactly it is. At the same time, you have to be really aware of another pattern here. 2 square into 1. This one is 3 square into 2. This one 4 square, 16. That is into 3. And this one 5 square, 25 into 4. And in this case, we have 6 square into 5 and 7 square into 6. So 7 square is 49, 49 into 6. Same as 7 cube minus 7 square, you'll get the same answer. So the answer what we have here is 294. Alright, let's go for the next one. 12, 6.5, 7.5, 12.75 and what? What exactly it is? Any idea? Some decimal points are here. So is it 120? Well, you can, if you want to remove the decimal points, you can make it as 120, 65, 75 and 127.5. Still, that doesn't make much difference here. Well, take the difference first. 12 and 6.5. What is the difference here? It must be 5.5 is the difference. And this case, 1 is the difference. This case, the difference is what? 7.5 and this 12.75. So 5.25 is the difference. So this difference is 5.5. This difference is 1. This difference is 5.25. Is there a pattern? I'll give you answer choices as well here. The answer choices are 25.5, 27.5, and 29.75, and 21.25. So these are the answer choices we have. So any idea? Any kind of pattern you see here? Well, what I see here, the difference is 6.5 and 7.5, the difference is pretty much 1. However, if you apply that 1 here, here the 5.5, here it's 1, here the difference is 5.25. So 5.5, 1, 5.25, then the next difference, if you take it as 0.75, then 12.75 plus 0.75 is 13.5. We don't have such an answer. All the answers are above 20, right? So, well, what we can have, is there any possibility of multiplication? 12 multiplied by something we get 6.5, 6.5 multiplied by something we get 7.5. Is there a chance? What I see here, 6.5 into 1 plus 1 is 7.5. That's a distant possibility. I'll try with 7.5. 7.5 into 2, that is 13. That doesn't work. How about like any other number? 12 and 6. If it is 1, this must be something less than 1. 12 into 0, that doesn't work. How about like 12 into 0.5? 12 into 0.5 is 6. So 12 into 0.5 plus 0.5. So 0.5 multiplied by 0.5, then 0.5 is added. So 12 is multiplied by 0.5, you get 6. That 0.5 is added, 6.5. Then what you have is 6 into 1 plus 1. Next one must be, if that is the case, 0.51, next one must be 1.5. So 7 into 1.5 is what? And that must be added with 1.5. So 7 into 1.5. So, 7.5 into 1.5. So 7.5 plus half of 7.5. That is 3.75. 11.25 is the answer. 11.25 is the number you get when 7.5 is multiplied by 1.5. Along with that, then we have to add another 1.5. So 11.25 plus 1.5, what do you get? 12.75. So that is perfect. That means we can continue with this pattern. Next one must be into 2 plus 2. So 12.75 into 2. 12 into 2, 24. 0.75 into 2, 1.5. So 25.5 plus 2, 27.5. The answer right here. So the answer for this question is 27.5. Once you get the pattern, it's pretty easy for us to get the answer. But you know what? Tracing out the pattern is the most challenging in some of the number series type of questions. So you have to be aware of those kind of possibilities and do your best to get the answer in those kind of challenging series. If you need to have additional questions for practice, take a look at our website walnuttraining.org.